Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable manual time in Time Doctor. So as you can see, this user right here, William Hunter, can go ahead and add manual time in this company. So I'll go from the company's dashboard, right? I'm an administrator or an owner. What you need to do is here from the top menu in the dashboard, click here on settings, and then you get this drop down, right? I want you to click on users. Click on users, and here you'll see all the users listed for that team or that company. And what you need to do here, you'll see can edit time. Now, this one is set to approval. Okay, it could be set to yes as well, like this person right here. What you need to do is just choose the first option, which is no. Okay, and when you do that, as you can see, editing time updated for one user. So we have disabled it. And that is how to disable manual time in Time Doctor.